Hi and welcome to a new French pronunciation video. Today we will learn how to say the name of this French footballer that play in Barcelona. He's very known all over the world and he's very good. So how do you pronounce his name? You will say Ousmane Dembélé. Ousmane Dembélé. So Dembélé have two E with an accent, so you have to pronounce it E. Dembélé. Ousmane Dembélé. Did you know that Ousmane Dembélé is only 25 years old, as in 2022, and is a very talented player despite sometimes his lack of motivation? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more video about football player, click just right there and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, salut, bonne journée.